So we've made our way to the Transportation Security Administration's TWIC website, Transportation Worker Identification Card, and there's a few buttons that we need to look at here in order to set ourselves up for the TWIC. So if we go to the schedule an appointment and apply online, we can start to fill out our application for the TWIC. So it's going to have our first and last name, middle name, gender, date of birth, and preferred language, as well as our mailing information and email and phone number, things like that. So there's a few steps to this as you step through it when you kind of pre-enroll. But most commonly, the thing you probably have a question about is, where can I find an office to do this? And so if you go to the page which offers you to find a universal enrollment center, you can go to this page and you can type in the city that you're in or the zip code that you're in, for instance, and that's just right here, find an application center. So we click on that, type in the code that we have, and all of the Transportation Worker Identification Card facilities will pop up and available to help you understand where these things are and how much of an inconvenience it's going to be. But the main crux of this is the TWIC application. Get started there. And just in terms of costs for this application, it's going to be $125 currently for a new applicant. The reason we have to do the Transportation Worker Identification Card is that all of the biometrics that the Transportation Security Administration takes is shared in the Department of Homeland Security to the Coast Guard. And that's what enables you to get your photograph and your biometric data on your Merchant Mariner credential. So this is a requirement even for all license levels to get the Transportation Worker Identification Card. But this is going to be your site, tsa.gov for industry/TWIC. Here's the path. But if you find yourself to the Transportation Security Administration website, find yourself to TWIC, these are the buttons that you're going to want to look at when you go to apply online and schedule your appointments. Right?